Hey, what's up guys? It's Flex and welcome back. So on the back of this Audi A4, I've already installed a carbon fiber spoiler. I've already debadged it and installed a gloss black Audi emblem. Today, I'm gonna tint the taillights. Usually, I'm not a big fan of tinted taillights because everyone that I see, they always make it so dark that it looks almost black. And I think that really takes away from the whole look of a car. So what I'm gonna be installing is a tint made specifically for headlights and taillights. Vivid Vinyl usually has one that is a light smoke and one that's a dark smoke. I'm going to be installing the light smoke version so that way it'll look tinted, but also at the same time you'll still get some red coming through. So let me show you the tint vinyl and then we'll get to the install. So here's the Audi taillights in two pieces. I'm going to tint just the large section for this video. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start by wiping it down and then I'm going to mask it off around the taillight. So this way, when I apply the tint, I can move it around without having to worry that it's going to stick to the paint of the car. I'm going to start by wiping it with a microfiber towel just to remove some dirt and dust. Now I'm going to use some masking tape and mask around the taillight. Next, I'm going to use some isopropyl alcohol to thoroughly clean the light. And I have to make sure I get into all those little cracks. Now I can cut the tint to size, peel it off, and when I apply it, I want to apply it as flat as possible without any wrinkles. If I have to, I can use some heat to stretch it to make sure it contours the tail light. Now I'm going to use a squeegee to squeegee out any leftover wrinkles. And then once that's done, I'm going to use a nice sharp blade and cut off all the excess tint. And then the last step, I'm just going to use a heat gun and heat around the corners and the edges and tuck them into place and lock down the tint. And we should be good to go. So there we have it. That's no tint and that's tinted. I think it looks pretty good. So I had some leftover tint. What I did was I applied it to the reflector on the headlights and then I traced it out. So this way I can smoke out the reflector for both headlights. And here's the final product. I think it looks awesome. It's smoked, but it's definitely still red, which I love. And it just complements everything that I've done to the rear of the car so far. Well, what do you guys think? I think it looks awesome. It's exactly what I was looking for, and it really complements the gloss black Audi logo, the carbon fiber spoiler, and the soon to be installed gloss black diffuser and black tips. Well, there you have it. I hope you guys liked the video. If you do, hit like below. As always, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you next time.